Toastmasters because it's my first debate competition. So, particularly Prakash, who actually told me to participate. I was not going to participate. I was very fearful, but he told me to participate, and this has really brought up my confidence. And I will never look back, and I'll keep participating in more debate competitions. Thank you.
Thank you, Bhavna. First topic to start with, we have Mohin. You're very passionate about the cause you're trying to bring forth today. What's your source of energy?
So the last movement, so I made the last movement Bakra. So I was not supposed to be a lead for this team today. And Anmol called me and today afternoon and asked me to lead the team. And then again he gave me the topic. Okay, the topic was the living relationship with fur. Then I called to my team and they're all preparing for the exam. They were in confusion. They don't know exact topic. Then again we called to the Anmol and Francis to confirm that our topic. Then we got to know that okay, we have to speak about fur, right? So yeah, so the energy behind for my energy is an Anmol call. So otherwise I don't have a plan today to attend this meeting. But this call made me to attend this meeting. Thanks very much for Anmol for the call.
Okay, now do you even believe in live-in relationships? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh. Yes, oh my goodness, that's for the record. Alright, just stand up and then go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. JD.
No, kudos to the committee members. You know, today when we came here and we spoke on a topic, it actually throws you out your goal lines. You know, it throws you out of your comfort zone. It is spontaneously, you know, it pushes you to think. And at the same time, it's a fantastic experience, you know, facing the audience and interacting with a fellow member. It's a wonderful thing. I think it should happen frequently. Thanks to the committee and especially to Rajiv Manwani.
Thank you. Round of applause for Rajiv. Yes, go ahead.
For me, one of the greatest advantage of today's meeting was I came to know two individuals. One is Dipankar and one is this one. So that was the main objective when we made up as a team. I think so I got more connected to more people. And also our thinking horizon, the way we present answers got improved.
Next time we get more girls.
So you guys were in a little relationship for 4 hours before the meeting. Alright. Next, yes, Sudhanshu, you had something to add.
I would like to say one thing is like I have been participating in debates from my school days and I'm trained by one of the army brigadier. So that way kind of I always have that aggression in whenever I go in a debate, right? I try to kill the next person in front of me. But today, like when I chatted with Aaron, it was completely, he whatever technicality he has taught me is really amazing. So I urge you all to keep on participating in such events. You will learn a lot. So thank you so much, Aaron, and thank you so much, Toastmasters.
Alright, last to Aaron. We have Abu Bakar, yes. Now Abu was very excited about the debate. He messaged me, you know what, I'm going to try my best and hopefully my team wins. Give it up for Abu Bakar.
This was my first debate, but if you follow our
Uganda.
So I was closely following our group BMTC, which is on the WhatsApp, and I have seen a lot of updates from our Vikas Francis. If you go deep in that, whatever the point and topics he has put, it was not debate, it was verb battle. And whatever the verb battle means, he has put given example of a lot of sentences. And if you go deep in that, I don't think we have followed on that. We had done a debate. On the top of that, first we have published as a verb battle, and at the right moment we have done a debate. Is this right?
You have done.
Yeah, I'm just asking the audience and the people or the committee member, means as a publicity on the group, you have highlighted it's a verb battle, you have given a lot of examples, what is the verb battle means, and what kind of word and sentence, and where is the weighted list, what is the debate? Debate means one will win, one will lose. On what basis? There will be some point on which we are going to decide. There will be some points, some measurements, some threshold. But if you see the decision on which it is based, I think people were talking about debate, and I hope judge were making the decision on the basis of debate. But I don't think nobody has talked on verb battle, what kind of verb battle means, and what is the pointers, and what kind of sentences and jargons and prettiness of the sentences have been used.
Thank you, Abu Bakar.
I have created.
All these men who are saying that this is the first time I'm debating, they're wrong because all these are married men. I'm sure they have debates every night. This is the only chance to win. That's why they're saying. All right. Who else? Do we have the results?
Yeah.
Prakash, you're tallying the results? Okay, we're getting the results tallied. Who else? Sorry?
Okay, that's all.
Yeah, who else were the participants? Anyone else wants to? Yes, Nathan, go ahead. From there.
Yeah, good evening once again, everybody. Yeah, there are just three things that I want to say about this. The beauty of the energy which got built up over the course of the debate. The teamwork which the members of the team really did the coordination and went across and presented. The third is a lot of opening of the mind. Basically, that's what is the biggest take home from me. That you get to learn about things and open your mind. And thanks.
Thank you, Ratan. Some very, very valid points out there. We've got the results? Not yet. Okay, we're still tallying the results. Yes, Alan. You were making notes during the live-in relationship. I saw you. What were you noting down? Everyone hold on to their seats. Yes, Alan, go ahead.
So I would just like to say that in this whole debate, we had opposite teams, and we were working with our own individual teams. But as you sat over there and as people looked at what we were saying, you realize that the team on the other side is no more different from you. They're just speaking on different topics, but at the end of it, we all are the same. And at the end of it, it just brings us closer as individuals.
We had some new participants who've joined the club recently. Tejas, what's your take on it?
I like debates very much. That's what I like. And today I got the opportunity to take up the debate. Prakash offered us that you need to then very next soon I told I want to get registered, and thank you for giving us an opportunity to participate in the debate.
Alright, a round of applause for Tejas. We have friends who wants to add something more.
Thank you, sir. I should also thank Anmol in particular in the way you conducted the whole event, the way you presented, the way you
Thank you, Shreyansh, for that compliment. A round of applause, yeah.
We wanted to ask, what is your stand on live-in relationship? He is doing.
We're going to move into a break right now.
He wants to come on clean.
Guys, come on, yes.
Come on.
First experience of any kind is always memorable. Okay, so this is my first experience in fact in debate. So I thoroughly enjoyed it, and kudos to the team members who have organized this. And thanks a lot.
Sure, alright. The game now, the winning teams are going to contest in the next debate after the break. Yes, I'll go ahead.
Sorry, I mentioned I said Anna Nazare. I forgot to mention Anmol. He's also a big hit on social media.
Not exactly, you don't listen to what he says. Paresh, what did you make out of your participation today?
This was my first debate.
Right.
And I enjoyed it.
Right.
And I would like to participate more.
Sure. Brilliant, thank you. We'll hear from the judges at this point of time what they felt about the debate, the contestants, the quality. We'll hear from KV and Kishore. Finally, we're making the judges public. Yes, Kishore, go ahead.
Yeah, I think wonderful enthusiasm, energy, and great volume message. The way everybody spoke, it was wonderful, and I think debate is something that teaches you how to agree to disagree. So people were quite receptive about the other points, and it went on very well. I enjoyed it.
Thank you, KV, and we'll hear from Chandan. Vinay and Prakash are having a debate on who's going to win. Come on, guys, quickly, we've got to move into the next round. Yeah.
I think one of the best part that I like about the debate competition is a lot of people whom I perceive to be supporting a particular topic were pitted against each other. So I think it was very different. For example, if I really believe in marriage and I was expected to speak about living relationship, it's very difficult for me to put forward my ideas.
Right.
So I think I saw that difficulty in everybody to actually put forward their ideas because maybe
Right, the ability to say something that you don't believe is extremely crucial. But Gurudat.
That's what Chandan told, it's not always that we actually have to debate on relationships or against Facebook. But I think the skill that this poses to teach us is to garner some points for or against the topic and to present it in a manner which is calm and composed. So this is one important skill which one gets from this, and surely it's worth attending this debate. And
Sure, thank you, Gurudat. We have another round of debate lined up. Rajdi, what's your take on this debate today? I'm glad that you didn't participate, otherwise the contest would have got over. Yeah.
I think we should break and
We should have a break. All right, so
we had too many comments and let's announce the topic.
Yes. So we'll start with the winners. We don't have the winners yet. That's the level of the competition at this club. You see, the judges are just not able to decide who's going to win it, who's going to lose it. This is the debate was about 20 minutes. The judges have taken 25 minutes. A lot of applause to the judges and the coordinators. Yes, Sunil.
Yeah, I think our judges are mathematically challenged.
Our judges are mathematically challenged. He's happy he's making the statement now. I'm not sure if he made the statement earlier.
Let's get into some people. We've totally tough for them.
Right, guys. We all have graduates here. Prakash. All right, so are we ready with the results? I think judges are grudges. All right, so on this note, let's slip into a break of 15 minutes. On the other side, we'll have the results. The teams can come along with me because I'm going to give them the topic right now.
But who are the teams?
Who are the teams? We're going to find out shortly. All right, we'll have a 15-minute break, 10-minute break. All right, see you on the other side. Thank you.